Have you been feeling called to tarot but unsure how to read for yourself without overthinking it? Today, I'm sharing how I read tarot for myself every morning, my exact routine, mindset, and spreads that help me receive clear guidance every single day. Before I even touch the cards, I focus on energy. I don't rush this part. I take a deep breath, place my feet flat on the ground, and consciously arrive in the present moment. Sometimes I light a candle or incense, but most days, intention alone is enough. I quietly say, I asked for clarity, honesty, and guidance aligned with my highest good. I don't overthink which deck to use, I let intuition decide. Some mornings I'm drawn to a soft, gentle deck. Other days I need truth, even if it's uncomfortable. I trust whatever deck calls to me because that's usually the one reflecting my current energy. I keep my morning spread very simple. Most days I use 1 to 3 cards. Here are my favorites. 1 card pull. What energy should I be aware of today? 3 card spread. The energy I'm carrying. The lesson or focus for today. Guidance or advice. I shuffle slowly and stop when it feels right, not when it looks perfect. This is the most important part. When I read for myself, I don't force meanings. I notice what stands out in the imagery, how the card makes me feel, the first word or emotion that comes through. I remind myself, tarot doesn't tell me what I want to hear, it reflects what I need to see. After pulling the cards, I write everything down, not just meanings, but thoughts, feelings, questions, patterns. This is where tarot becomes powerful. When I look back weeks later, I often realize the cards were already preparing me for things before they happened. To close, I thank the cards, my intuition, and myself for showing up. I don't pull clarifiers unless I feel genuinely guided to. Clarity comes from trust, not pulling endlessly. Then I carry that message with me throughout the day. Tarot isn't about predicting your future, it's about understanding your present. If you're new to reading for yourself, start small. Trust the quiet voice before the loud thoughts. And remember, your intuition already knows. If this video resonated, and let me know in the comments. Enjoyed this message? Join our YouTube Omnistian family at The Omnistians by subscribing, and let's create a space filled with clarity, healing, and support together.